So full transparency, coming into it, I was a little nervous. I felt like I wasn't equipped to be that imposter syndrome. It was like, who's going to be in the room? I'm not where somebody else is. I don't even know where they are, but the assumption that I'm not ready. I don't have all the accolades. I don't have all the information. And so I don't know what I'm truly going to get out of it if I don't think I'm where everybody else is. So could I know what's going to be in the room? And now that I'm here, I'm right where I belong. We're here to make money. That's always the goal, right? We're here to build the generational wealth, but we're also here to uplift the people in the community. And that's usually the fact that the people in this network are not just flexing is what I call it, right? They're not just coming and saying, this is what I know, this is what I've done, but the not gatekeeping part of it, really giving all the information to help us succeed and lead. I've realized that the people that are a part of this network that Erika surrounds herself with are not just about the making money, but about the people side of things, which is important to me because everybody can make money. But it's how you connect with people, how you treat people, how you want to propel people. Like doing what you can for the community is big. And that is what's weaved into everybody's conversation or session here is that, yeah, I'm making money, I'm doing this, but they tied into how am I uplifting our people in our community? Invest in yourself. And like they said yesterday, do it now. Don't wait, because next year we're going to be having the same conversations and you're going to be a step behind. Do it. Make the investment. Invest in yourself. I don't know if you caught it on camera. And I was like, hey, sis, I met her yesterday. But of course, she's also my sis because of Howard. But I feel that about a few people I've met in here. We all have the same goals. We're all doing the same thing. Another thing that's been brought up this week, and is surround yourself with the people that are going to be where you want to be, right? And I feel that in here. Everybody may not be where they think they can be today, but we're all going to the same place. And so this is the community. Made so many connections. I feel like just sharing things, the tidbits, making connections of where we're from, or you know something I don't know. And again, no gatekeeping. This is the community. So I'm feeling really good about it. I'm happy to be here. I plan to stay here.